In this video, I'll show you how to quickly open a padlock without a key. This will be very helpful if you ever find yourself locked out or if you lose your keys. To do this, we'll need a piece of aluminum. In my case, I cut it from a can that has a slightly thick texture on the inside. I'll place it on a table and flatten it completely using a hammer. Now, I'll take a marker and trace a T shape, which we'll cut out afterward. This shape will help us bypass the locking mechanism to open it easily. We just need to bend it so it conforms to the shape of the shackle, and it should look like this. Next, I'll take the padlock and open it with the key so you can see it's in good working condition. After locking it again, we'll insert the T-shim we made into the small gap between the shackle and the lock body. I'll use some pliers to tap it gently so it slides in more easily. This isn't instant. It will take a few minutes, but I guarantee it will eventually pop open. The best part is that you can make this piece once and keep it for whenever the occasion arises and you need to use it. I hope you found this helpful.